vlog.
Ryan!
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hello.
We are back with the main squad.
That's me.
Adventuring again.
Yes.
Today, adventure. We are in New Haven, Connecticut, exploring and learning about this beautiful city. So first, we are going to find a lighthouse in the extreme fog. Let's do it.
The foggy dew.
Okay, where is the lighthouse? Dun, 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 dun. You know, I don't know if the GoPro can even pick it up. That was kind of really smooth.
Thank you.
I mean, it would look really pretty with all the Christmas lights on. We saw the breaker before, and we thought about it, but we thought we'd see the lighthouse before we get kicked out.
All you gotta do is follow the cords.
We can do that. You can see it now.
I love shrubbery.
Do you love shrubbery?
Oh, is this it?
Oh, is this it? This is the lighthouse.
This is the Eiffel Tower. Oh, surprise, we're in Paris.
Oh my God, we get to see two things in one day, the Eiffel Tower and a lighthouse.
Oh, geography.
Oh, America.
Probably not supposed to be. Let's continue. Open that door. Look at that doorknob. It's in a weird place. Do you see it?
That's so high up.
What's that for? Andre the Giant?
Oh, imagine trying to be a kid and trying to get back in your home. I just want to be tall enough to reach the doorknob. This is exactly what I thought Connecticut would look like. My best friend's up over there for some reason.
Whoa!
Chilling on a hill. She kind of blends in. You blend in with the rocks with your coat.
Yeah, do that. I'm gonna take a picture. Yes, girl!
This is a great place to start your New Haven trip. It's a beautiful 1.4-mile loop and there's plenty to look at while you walk around. It's $30 for out-of-state residents per car, but if you come during their off-season, it's free.
I bet you all my money that Ryan Troy's gonna try and get over this fence.
Better be nice.
Let's find out.
I already see a way on the roof. It's like it's that easy.
Danger. Stay off the
No
pier.
hablo.
Police. Police something.
Please,
Please take notes.
please take notice.
Notice.
Take notice of what?
The idiocy that is your existence if you get onto the pier.
We just said 2 minutes ago. We're getting on that.
Pier's gonna collapse. You're gonna fall. I'm worried for your safety.
Look at this nice white picket fence. Wow. Goes so far.
You look like the firebender from Avatar. What's his name?
Zuko. You're keeping that all day.
New state, new man.
Like that.
All day.
It's amazing. That's amazing.
This is what Connecticut does to people.
Yeah.
All right, getting back in the car and on our way to our second stop.
Okay, continuing on with our tour, we have East Rock Park.
Yes, another thing on your list of things to do your first time in New Haven, Connecticut.
And it's free, just like the other place we were at.
But the other place isn't usually free.
But it's free for us.
And days that it's foggy. Free for us. Free for us. That's what happens.
Cool.
Call out your pass.
Say hello.
Hello.
I am passing you.
You didn't say hello. Another park. Are you shocked? The first one was great to see the water, but this time you want a view of the city from above. This one also has a lot more trails and paths you can take with a small incline. There was a surprising amount of people here for such a cloudy day, and I'm sure it's much busier when it's sunny. You know what that means. Must be a great view. It's stroller friendly, but there are paths that you could take through the woods for a more naturey vibe.
We did it. We did it. All right. Yeah, we did it.
There's a little ledge there.
Love that. New Haven, Connecticut, guys. Wowza. What a city from above.
I read on a website that it was one of the top 10 best mid-sized cities.
Love that.
The man's sweatshirt said, I do dad stuff, and I love it.
Wow. You found the thing.
After
Job.
this unnecessary steep incline we had to walk.
Get with you.
Holy Toledo's.
I think we maybe rose like 100 feet, 200 feet.
It was not.
I definitely say the small climb is 100% worth the view. This is what you have to do when you get to the top of this park. It's a
rain dance.
It's a rain dance. And then the sun came out.
We did it backwards.
We did it backwards.
Oh, hello. This is my watch. So it's probably like 2.5 miles, top to tail. Elevation gain, 85 feet.
Not even 100. Look at that. Where are we going next, Jess?
The library.
Apparently that library is closed, so we're just gonna go walk around downtown New Haven.
Hello.
So where are we now,
We
Jess?
are downtown.
And we are at Yale.
Yeah.
Where we are all graduating from
Yes, back
today.
when I was a student here.
Now, if you're wondering, why would I want to visit a college that I'll never go to? Let me tell you, not only is this campus huge, but it's filled with incredible architecture. How do you get it to work?
Well, you have to push the correct numbers with the code.
Oh, that makes sense. I don't know if we're smart enough to figure it out.
I can't do it in front of all of these witnesses.
The Fibonacci sequence?
Yeah, sure.
Every time I turned a corner, there's another picture I wanted to take. We originally wanted to visit the rare book and manuscript library here on the campus that is open to the public, but it is closed on Sundays, and we didn't realize this until we got out here. But make sure to check it out when you visit on your own. And if not, you could spend a few hours just taking pictures around this beautiful campus. This is where you go if you get a B- at Yale. You get no sunlight. Once we walked around most of the campus, we started getting hungry, so we began to head more downtown. We passed some pretty buildings, some parks, a library, and a ton of restaurants, but I had one in mind that I had researched prior to coming here. I started eating gluten-free with my best friend, so we were determined to find the best gluten-free pizza that New Haven had. It does look like Voldemort.
Wash your hands with the pizza.
Gluten-free.
For $11, I was not expecting that pizza to be so big, but it was a good dinner for the next 3 nights. They had a bunch of gluten-free and vegan options, like wraps and pasta too.
Hello. So, what did we do last? Oh, we had some gluten-free pizza because I have a gluten sensitivity. And then we drove to New London, Connecticut, and now we're gonna go casino at Mohegan Sun. I love that for us. So,
Great way to end your day if you're traveling around New Haven.
Yeah. So if there's anything else my blue-haired best friend would like to add, please feel free. Other than that, bye-bye.
Thanks for joining us today, and we will catch y'all on the next one.